Yeah, so data raptor is the ETL tool which we can extract, transform, and load data uh, to Velocity cards, OmniScript, and we do have different connectors for transform and extract and load. We do also have turbo extract which will pull data from multiple sources. So this is the brief uh, about data raptors. Yeah. So integration procedure is nothing but a step-by-step execution of your actions. That might be remote actions where we can call your Apex class HTTP action, where we can implement API call out. So from here you can execute your Omni scripts. So IP is group of all actions, and Omni script at one time execution you can do. Why do we prefer calling it from a separate IP? Yeah, so as a HTTP action require us Apex call out, and this is possible from a separate integration procedure only. As OmniScript will take time to load into IP or server call, it is preferably be called from IP only, a separate IP only. Yeah, again, so in Omni Studio we get multiple actions while working with Apex classes, and HTTP action is one of them. While we are doing any REST implementation or endpoint we are calling, that will be called only using HTTP action for API callout. Handle HTTP errors. Yeah, so there are um, add error function we can use. We can use custom Apex or debug mode also we can use. We can log the errors into separate custom object or separate file. Also we can show this error using cards on or flex cards based on what we say status of our response code. Can we call one thing? Yeah, like we can do chaining of multiple IPs if we have many steps or many actions to execute, which is not possible in single IP, and if there is independency on the existing output or existing implementation, then that time we can chain other IP to that, and once first is completed, then we can call second one. We can call it. Can a child IP call? Yes, we can. Can we call integration procedure from Lightning Web Component? Yeah, we can call IP from LWC as well. How do you call an integration procedure from a flow? Yeah, so simply we can create one action that might be LWC button or Apex invocable action, and that same action we can use in flow with the invocable annotation, or the same flow we can call it from LWC. I have an enrollment that collects information and sends this to third party. Mhm. Explain in technical terms. Okay, so if we face any error, suppose we have a wrapper class for the response JSON which we are getting, so that wrapper class will be having error nodes as well. So while looping or deserializing that response, we can track all those errors and we can keep it in our error object, or we can create error records. Also, while working on Apex side, we do have try catch block, and through which we can catch the exceptions and there we can catch the errors and log it somewhere from custom object or on the screen we can share.
Okay, fine, Ganesh. You're done with an interview. Our team will
Okay.
get back to you and give you the updates. Thank you for joining the meet.
Thank you so much.